Hello survivors, welcome to the channel. I'm Chris and today we're going to Aldi to see what new vegan products they have there. Let's go. Okay, so the first thing I came upon was this oat milk. Normally they would have almond milk and soy milk, but this is the first time for me seeing oat milk. It's been a little bit since I've been to Aldi. Here are the ingredients. It doesn't say vegan anywhere on the container, but it is vegan. And right next to it, it's got the original oat milk, which says 100% vegan. It can be a little confusing when one says vegan and the other doesn't. We have these tofu vegetable dumplings, some ravioli. I haven't tried any of this stuff. Spinach ravioli and eggplant ravioli. And here are some ingredients. $3.79, not bad. And then I found the vegan blue cheese crumbles by Earthgrown, vegan, and they have tofu, of course, mozzarella shreds, which are not new, but I just thought I'd put them in there. The vegan Parmesan, which I believe is new as well. And then, oops, forgot the Thai basil dumplings. These look really good. Haven't tried these either. And also hiding in there somewhere was the vegan feta cheese. So we got 3 of those. Here's some Good Belly probiotic drink with carrot juice. And the rest of these products that I'm going to show are not new. But there's the Korean bowl, the peanut butter crunch bar, and then the pint-sized ice cream. But that's it. There wasn't really much that they had there that was new. So this is a very short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it though. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these products, any of the newer ones, and what you thought of them. And maybe your Aldi has some newer products that I don't have here that I didn't feature in previous Aldi videos that I've done. Anyway, subscribe, survive, watch out for zombies, and I'll see you guys in the next video.